So dicing, I say little like this, so your potatoes will cook, you know, pretty quickly. Okay, so we're rinsing the potatoes and then we're gonna boil them until, not all the way done, but close to done. Salt our water for our potatoes. We're just gonna pour our potatoes in. I love raw potatoes. Put you a little bit of salt on. Isn't that crunch? Okay, so we're gonna make our pot pie, and this is the chicken that Nan cooked in the slow cooker with the Southern Boy seasoning on it, and it is super good. All right, Nan, if you'll add, we have a, go ahead.
We'll add 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 can of cream of celery soup,
And we bougie because we like the Great Value brand. And a little bit of sour cream. And then we're gonna add a bag of mixed vegetables. Potatoes that we cooked. Okay, so we're gonna top this off, season it a little bit with some Southern Boy seasoning. Give it a little kick. I'm gonna put a little bit, I like mine juicy, so I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken stock in here. And stir it back up. We're gonna put our mixture in a I like Marie Callender's pie crust, and then we're gonna top it with a phyllo dough crust on the top.
You trust me with pie crust?
I hope so. We're gonna be eating crackers and milk. A little bit even. Yep, even them up there. All right, I'm gonna add a little pepper to my topping. Okay, so what we're gonna do with this, we have puff pastry, and this is a sheet kind. We're just gonna top it with on top of our pie crust and our filling, and then just kind of do in the edges. This is like a rough crust type topping. You need to poke a couple little holes on the front top of it to let some of the air out so it won't just like blow up in your oven. All right, now we're gonna cover the top with some butter, baste it with some butter. Okay, so we're gonna put a cookie sheet up underneath, just to catch any overflow if it bubbles over. So we're putting them both in the oven for about 25 minutes. And like I said a while ago, we are look and see cooks. Like, we'll look and see if we think it's done. Okay, so this is a trick to keep your pie crust or your topping on your pot pie from burning. You can lay a piece of aluminum foil over the top of it and it will keep it from burning just a little bit, but don't close it up, just lay it over the top. Okay, I'm about to take this out of the oven. This is about the color that you're wanting on your puff pastry, on your pot pies. So this probably went over about 30 minutes. I'm dipping our little pot pie out. Look at all that. Look at that steam and vegetables.
Look at all that goodness.
Crust is what we like. Comfort food at its best right there. Look at that. Peas and carrots and corn and crust.
All right, here goes the first bite. I'm gonna check these girls out. Y'all have done it again.
That's pretty good victuals.